All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. A very cool song here from Koe Wetzel. It's called Depression and Obsession. So it's a 3-chord song. We have this dark strings ringing out from his guitar, and it goes in the same way through the entire song. So we love that scenario. 3 chords, guitar song, couldn't be better. No need for any capo as well, so let's go into the chords. And we're gonna start with a chord which is basically a B sus chord, but with an E in the bass. So what you do here is to grab a bar on the 2nd fret, so you bar 5 strings from bottom up. And here I'm just gonna mention we're gonna work with the bass strings and the mid area of strumming here. We'll avoid the last strings down here. But anyway, just to be simple, educated here, a bar from the bottom and up, 5 strings. That's the starting point for this chord, and then you're gonna add the 4th fret D string and 4th G as supporting notes, and you also incorporate the open E string in the bass. So open E, 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G, and from there on it's not important because you're not gonna play down there. All right, so that is the B E chord. Then over to G, you keep the 4th D and 4th G there, and you recuperate your fingers to this index on the 2nd A and mid finger on the 3rd E. Gives you this grip. So from this to this, okay? So very easy transition there. 3rd on E, 2nd A, 4th D, 4th G. And if you go down to the B, open B string, that is the same note as 4th G, so it doesn't matter if you go down there as well. So that is the G chord, and then we have the final chord, which is the straight E minor, and it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Again, avoid the last strings down there. Anyway, that is the chord progression through the entire song, the B E, the G, and the E minor. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. You can keep the E minor there. We're gonna learn the strumming with this chord. So you're gonna play this. Okay, so that is down, down, and then up, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Slowly. Notice I'm highlighting 2 downs here. I really wanna have them since the rhythm goes there, and the first down I want to highlight is the 2nd, so to speak, in the strumming pattern. So down, down, and I do that in a way that I do a little bit more of a fuller downstroke of the downs I want to highlight. So a short down in the first one, just pretty much the bass string, and then the next down I want to highlight, I go a little bit more of a full downstroke there, but try still to avoid the last strings down there. So, and then I play up, down, up, a little bit shorter, but then the last down there, I do it again, full down almost, and then end with a short up. So the 2nd down in the strumming pattern and the last down, I emphasize them. All the other ups and downs, I keep them a little bit shorter to highlight in the other ones. So it goes like this slowly. That is 1 string round. So in tempo, a couple of rounds. Alright, so we're ready for the actual song, and it's very easy. You're gonna play the B, E, 2 string rounds, the G, 1, and the E minor 1, and that's it. So it goes like this. Koe Wetzel's Depression and Obsession. Dark, cool song, and yeah, give it a try. If you have a guitar, if you like this kind of songs, then it's a must. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys, and if it was helpful, help me. Give me a like on this one, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment if you wish, and see you next time. Play tuned.